Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are good. So students, today we are going to do chapter 12, that is Sudama Charit. So let's have a look of this mind map. Sudama Charit, Shri Krishna, Lord Shri Krishna, Sudama, best friend of Krishna, Dwarka, kingdom of Krishna, Narottam Das, he was writer of this chapter. द्वारपाल द्वारा सुदामा की दीन अवस्था का वर्णन, एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ सुदामा's oppressed condition by the guard. सुदामा और श्री कृष्ण के बीच की नोकझोंक, द टसल बिटवीन सुदामा एंड कृष्णा. सुदामा की दीन अवस्था, ऑप्रेस्ड कंडीशन ऑफ सुदामा. श्री कृष्ण की उदारता, generosity of Shri Krishna. In this chapter, poet has described the meeting between Sudama and Shri Krishna after long time, and he has described the oppressed condition of Sudama and the generosity of Sudama. In this chapter, Shri Krishna has done everything like a friend should do for his friend, for his best friend. He has done everything for his friend Sudama. In the first paragraph, the guard has explained the oppressed condition of Sudama to Shri Krishna. When he saw that a person came at the doorstep, and then he saw that person, he asked his name, that who are you? Then Sudama told him that I am Sudama, my name is Sudama. And then he went inside to the palace and he described the oppressed condition to Shri Krishna and the name of Sudama also. In the second stanza, you will come to know that how Shri Krishna took care of his close friend whom he is going to meet after a long time. How he take out the thorns from the cracked heels of Sudama, and how he expressed the feeling to Sudama that I am very happy to meet you. How he expressed all these feelings to Sudama, it has been described in the second stanza. And in the third stanza, in the third and fourth stanza, the tussle between the Shri Krishna and Sudama is being described by the writer very skillfully. And in this, Sudama was hiding something in his armpit which was sent by his wife to give it to Shri Krishna as a gift, but Sudama was hiding that thing because he has only some rice to give to Shri Krishna. So Krishna and Sudama have some tussle in this stanza, so that has been described in this. In the next stanza, when Sudama was on the way to his village, when he was returning back from the Dwarka to village, he was thinking in his mind that we both have met after so long time, and he took care of me, and he was feeling very happy the time we met. But at the time of returning back and the time of leaving, he had not given anything to me. Why he had not given anything to me? Even after knowing that what is the condition, in which condition I am living, because Krishna is God, so he know everything. So Sudama was knowing that Shri Krishna, Lord Shri Krishna know everything. If I am living in a very bad condition in my house, in my life I am surviving, he knew that already. Why he had not given me anything? So these all things were running in his mind while going back to his village. In the last two stanza, it has been told, it has been described that he was, while thinking his mind, he was thinking one more thing, that once he will reach to his house, he will tell in a teasing way to his wife that Krishna has given so many wealth to me, so just take these all wealth and take care of it and keep it safely. And then when he entered to his village, when he saw that the condition of whole village is being changed, then he was surprised and he was happy too. Then when he come to know that the Shri Krishna have not even changed his condition, he have changed the condition of the whole village. so that every villager can afford to live in a big bungalows, to live in a big palaces. So it shows the generosity of Shri Krishna, that how Shri Krishna have given all the thing without letting him know that what all he has given to him. So this was the summary of this chapter. What all has been described by the poet Narottam Das. Narottam Das is the poet of this chapter. So I hope you all have understood this chapter. So thank you. We will meet you in the next video.